In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of corner flips using Elementor. This is very easy. You need to watch this video carefully, and by the help of video, you can easily add this kind of corner flips to your Elementor containers or images or anything. To do that, you need to go here and follow the steps. So for the very first step, we need to create a container where you want to add this kind of corner flip. So to do that, I will add a container here. For example, I add the container with two containers. So here one container is this and one container is this. So here you can see there is no any corner flip. So for now I'm going to add some spacing here, so minimum height, so that we can see it. So here is the minimum height, for example, here. So here for example, I just add a background here. So I just add a background here to see this clearly. For example, here is the background, so I have added this. So now I am just adding this for you. Okay, now you can see while hovering there is no any corner flip. So for do that, you need to copy and paste a custom CSS that I have provided into the description. So you just need to copy this all custom CSS, and here you just need to click on the page settings, click on advanced, and here in the custom CSS section you need to paste all the CSS code here. Now we need to add the corner flip for this container. So here you can see I have added the container CSS classes for that. For example, this is container 1 and this is canned. So here is the mobile responsive CSS as well. For example, I just copy the container 1 class here, and here I just click on this container, click on advanced, and here you can see CSS classes. So you just need to paste the container 1 class here. So if I go here, you can see there is the corner flip has been added. So if you go here into the advanced settings, click on advanced, you can also change the colors for both corners. You can see here. So you can also change the colors and the height and width of this flip. Okay, I hope you understand. Now if you want to add the same for the image, you just need to go here, and for example in the next container I just show you how you can add this corner flip to the image. So I just click here, click on style, and I had a image into the background for this. So here I just select an image for the background. For example, I select this image and I just set this display size to the cover, and position should be center. Now you can see there is no corner flip. So same as I just click on advanced, and here I just click on here. So here I paste the custom CSS class name. So here is the container, what is the class name, I have just defined it into the custom CSS. And if you go here, you can see there is also another corner flip. So here you can see in all the boxes I have added the same classes, you can see, and you can also adjust the colors as you need. You can see on this website I have added the custom classes and the custom CSS code once. So I hope you love this video, and if you love this video, please subscribe my channel and comment below if you need any other help related to Elementor or WordPress. Thank you so much.